Whoa! Welcome back to a vision experiment with me, Ty, talking everything Apple Vision Pro, spatial computing and more. And in this video series, we're going to be looking at some of the best and most interesting applications for Apple Vision Pro leading up to Christmas. We're going to be doing a video per app every single day on the way to Christmas Day. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is what we're going to be looking at, called Explore POV, and it's absolutely incredible considering where we are at the moment in cold, grey England. If you want to be transported away to different places around the world, this is what Explore POV does so incredibly well. But before we do that, let's get ourselves acclimatized and jump into a spatial environment to take us away from what is grey and cold. Welcome to Bora Bora, and we are going to be having a look at Explore POV. So this is Explore POV's landing page, and as you can see, there's so many incredible pieces of media on here, and you can go down and have a look at the side menu and check out so many more. Now, it is a premium application. There are some free options to view some of the incredible content they do have on here. Videos that have been from all around the world, taken to incredible places and places you may never even get to see in reality. It is a absolute capsule of incredible locations. And if you go to the options, you've got a paid monthly subscription that you can do 1, 3 or 6 monthly based on what you want to do to access incredible high quality premium immersive videos in 3D. So we're going to have a look at some of these on here already, and let's see what they have in store. Now, you can go onto a map feature and have a look at the globe, and it will show you some of the locations that some of the media that's been captured has come from, which is super informative, and I really do like that as well. So let's go and have a look at what we've got. Now, you can stream or you can get higher resolution by downloading. And this gives you a chance to have a really amazing library of things to transport yourself away to new locations. Now, I've downloaded a couple of things on here, so let's have a look what we've got. Explore POV isn't just a library of videos from around the world.
They always want to spend time together. They don't want to break each other. If one of them go away for 2 days, one of them will cry.
Many are stories of adventures following people's journeys, or they're simply allowing the viewer to find some tranquility in the scenes in front of their very eyes. It's an app that I've enjoyed watching many videos on many occasions. With so many being added, it's definitely something that you can go back to time and time again. Having explored this application, you can genuinely understand why this has been voted one of the best applications on Vision Pro to date. Now, I'm not going to spoil this one for you, so I'm going to stop it right there and we'll jump into one more. But whoa, the horses are incredibly, very close. Hello there. Hi. Let's jump out of that one and let's have a little look at the behind the shot in French Polynesia. Probably the main reasons why we thought Bora Bora might be acceptable environment to be in. So let's check it out.
Hey folks, welcome to French Polynesia. We're here on this beautiful little island today, and we're not far from Bora Bora, which a lot of you would have heard from. It's actually an environment on the AppleVisionPro. We're on an island called Mapiti, which is just over the way. It's a lot smaller and much quieter than Bora Bora. It's actually like my secret special place here in French Polynesia, and if you ever get the opportunity to come here, I cannot recommend it highly enough.
It's continuously updated. Obviously there are opportunities to download stuff and stream stuff, anywhere from Canon Immersive quality video all the way up to Apple Immersive with the Blackmagic Cine Immersive. It is a stunning application, one that I cannot recommend enough, and I think that you will enjoy it as a AppleVisionPro owner, and it is just mega. Thanks for watching this video, really appreciate it. We'll have another one tomorrow, and with that, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, or if you want to know more about things behind the scenes on AVE, follow me on Patreon. Information is in the description down below, and I'll catch you guys for another video really soon.